It's Ron from the Jupiter Lighthouse Park here in Jupiter, Florida. And today we're going to take you on a little tour of the property here. You can see the lighthouse right behind me. You can walk to the top of it here until 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And there's other stuff here to see. There's a couple of museums. There's a really old banyan tree here. There's a dock. So we're going to give you a tour around here, show you some of the things you need to see around here, you should see. So just sit back, get a cool beverage, some snacks, and enjoy the action. I hope you enjoyed this tour of the Jupiter Lighthouse Park today. It's a beautiful place. Come visit. I will put a Wikipedia link down below if you want to know more details about the park, how to get here, the cost, the admission, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, thanks for coming along with us today, and we'll see you on the next video.